Hey, it's Midthinker here. Today I'm firing up the griddle again to make some chicken fried rice. This is so easy that you can make it in 20 minutes and it's so good that you won't have to make a trip to a Chinese restaurant for fried rice again. So let's get to it. I have some common ingredients I found in the fridge. Some leftover rice, eggs, onion, carrots, green onions, chicken thighs, soy sauce, and seasoning mix for the chicken. One tip I want to add: if you have a bunch of veggies in the fridge that have seen better days, this will be a good time to chop it up and add it to the ingredient list. First, let's take care of chicken thighs. On the preheated griddle, add oil and throw in the diced chicken. You can season them with whatever seasoning you have available. Today I'm using Kinder's garlic and herb seasoning and cayenne pepper. Get them nice and brown and set it aside. Clean up the griddle surface and add more vegetable oil. Throw in chopped onion and carrots. Cook them until soft. Now make room for eggs and scramble them and mix it into the veggies. Add a stick of butter and let it melt. And then add the rice on top of the melted butter. The rice can be clumpy and dry, so work your spatulas to break them up and mix them with the egg and the vegetable. Add soy sauce and mix it well. Let the soy sauce get absorbed thoroughly into the rice. You'll be able to tell when the rice turns light brown. And then add chopped green onion into the rice. Add the chicken back on the griddle and mix it into the rice. Spread them out thin to help the rice to get crunchy on the bottom. This won't take long, so keep your eyes on it so you're not burning them. The crunchy rice definitely enhances the flavor and the texture. There you have it, fast and easy chicken fried rice. What do you guys like to use for your fried rice? Please share your recipe and tips in the comments section. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Please also check out my Instagram handle at MeatThinker. Thank you for watching and keep meat thinking. Joseph, come on, let's go eat.